Alright, we got the CRV situated. Cái này hai nghìn mấy?
2010.
2010 CRV. And then we got it situated on the lift. And there's like these two protrusions on the bottom. I'm not sure if this is for the seats to hide in or what is it, but it's a lot deeper than another car. So we got blocks on both sides, so hopefully it works. Oops, wrong way. Oh, that didn't work.
This one. Move right here. Yep.
Okay. Maybe this one's not important.
Yeah.
Take this one out.
Mm-hmm. Don't need it. I think it should be it here. Oh, no.
That'll be higher than this.
Yeah, okay.
That's okay.
So like this. The same high or different height, different height. About just like this, I think should be okay.
Okay. All right, let's give it a try. Okay. Got to drop in the first physical lock. There we are. That's our first lock. And let's see if we'll go higher. All right, that's our second lock. So let's drop it down on the lock. Let's shake the car first. Feels good. And now we're going to drop it down to the lock. All right, in the lock now. There's the lock. All set. And so you can see these things that the CRV has this box here that holds, looks like the evap system or something in here. But that little gap is for all this right here. All right, let's deal with the tires.